Hey everybody, it's Christopher Travels. How you doing? I have... Wow, it looks really weird when I talk. Huh. Ooh. Anyway. Yeah, look at... There's like a funny thing going on here. Well, let me show you. I'm trying to film from up here, and sorry if you can hear my generator, but I usually use my tripod, but oh, I just walked into a spider web. Great, but it's toast. So, yeah, I gotta get a new one of these that holds my cell phone. Let me try this again. Let's see. There you go. It just has this weird flutter. Anyway, yeah, I don't like that. I wonder why it's doing that. There, how about that? Ah, much better. Okay, back to our regularly scheduled program. Anyway, so while I'm waiting for the barn, I am just doing a couple things around here. I cleared a little more shrubs out. I can show you. Just a second. And sorry, my generator again. So basically, my generator used to sit right here. So, and all of that was shrubs back there. So I moved my generator back, and then I have my flagpole up there with the light on top. So I have all this room. I love it. So my house, my barn, is gonna sit right where all this is. So it's gonna sit facing south that way. So it's gonna look like, when I look out my front door, I'm gonna look out like this. So this is south, and the wind usually comes from the east, from like this area, from southeast area. So when you're looking at the barn, sorry, I need to watch where I'm stepping. Okay, so when you're looking at the barn, just picture the barn here. The door is going to be here, and then the window and a window. So wind rarely comes this way, but when it does, of course, I'll have all that sealed off. But like right now, the wind is coming towards me from the northeast. So yeah, so that's... Oh, I'm so sorry. That is the west. So the wind comes from the southwest most of the time. And right now it's coming from the northwest this way. So it's actually coming, well, you can see the flag. It's coming that way. So the back of the barn will be back here. So I'll be protected from the winds most of the time. Even when it comes from this way, I won't have any windows on this side. I'll just have some vents up in the top, and that'll be fine. Let's see, what else can I talk about? I have some footage of some rain that just occurred last night, and I love when it rains because it makes the sand so pretty. This morning, that's my prince going to work. And here's my prince coming home from work today. And there's Mummy over there. So, let's see. Yep, no one's been down this road today. I could usually tell when it rains, which is not very often, but I heard it's going to be monsoon season right now. But I could definitely tell when people come down here because I could see tracks. So the farmers that have some cows and stuff back there, and the cows roam around here, they'll ride down this road. So, yeah. So what I'm going to do to prepare for the barn is I'm going to move all of my stuff in Frankie. I'm going to move probably in this area right here. I'll just park Frankie here off to the side. That way the trucks can come in. Actually, the truck is going to come out here, and then what they do is they lower the building. They put they put wheels on one side, and then they have a wheeled lift on the other side, and then they push it into position. So I'm going to move some of this back where I cleared out, and I'm going to move Frankie up here out of the way. So I'll probably do that in another week and a half or so. Next week I am just off on Tuesday. So yay, 38 hours they scheduled me. I'm so happy. So I'll show you some of that footage, and I'll just tell you right now, right before the footage, thanks for being with me on this journey. It's so great to have you along with me and interacting with you in the comments. Live life to the fullest. Just get out there. If you're scared, as long as it's not going to hurt you, like kill you physically, you should at least try it, you know? Yeah. I don't know. So live life to the fullest, and I'll see you next time. Stay tuned for the miscellaneous footage. Bye. It's raining. I see drops. Drop. Drop. I gotta open my mouth. Catch one. Ah. Oh, one landed on my lip. Awesome. Ah. Up the sand. Man, it's coming. It's a-coming. Oh, shoot. I gotta cover up my generator. Oh, here comes rain. Awesome. Whoa, big drops. Let me cover my generator. Ah! All right, we're in the rain. Ah, I got a drop in my ear. Whoa. There. Awesome. Rain. Can you see the drops? That is so neat. All right. Yeah. Raining in the desert. Yeah. Look at the drops. They're flying sideways. Let me get on this side of Frankie. There we go. Awesome, I love it.